Hiya!
Hello again.
We're going to do some more of these mini boots. These are all Series 3. We didn't get any more than Series 2 because some cheeky so-and-so had actually pre-opened the boxes in the shop to have a look, and so I didn't want them. So we just got Series 3. So we'll see what ones there is. You went
First last time, so you
my
go
turn.
first.
Yeah, give it the scissors. Got to do some stabbing.
Just preferably not yourself.
That'll be a first. Let's see. New one.
That one is
Amethyst. Amethyst is adorable. I don't know if you can see it's sparkly feet, horn, ears and eyes. Everyone loves a bit of sparkle, especially me. That's so cool, and one we don't have yet. Put it down there, that's it.
I'm going to go with blue.
Don't cut your fingers out. Is that spots? One we've already got. Oh,
Yep.
yeah, we got this one already, but I don't care. Mally will have the repeats. Which one was that one called again? Speckles.
Yep, that's the one.
I'm gonna go purple.
Another repeat.
Yep. Those who've seen the previous video know this one is flocked. So velvety like.
Muffin.
Muffin. Again, Mally will get the repeats, so it doesn't matter if we get repeats.
Orange. I'll take the orange box. Anyone who played Half-Life back in the day?
It's the only orange you have, we don't eat fruit.
Ooh, an orange bag as well. Oh, that must be the chaser.
Look at that! Oh, how gorgeous!
That is the mystery chaser because it's not listed.
Yay! We got the chaser! How cool is that? That is so pretty. Oh, I love it. That's definitely mine. Mally's not getting that one. Let's see what's in the last one, shall we? I think Mally might be getting that one.
So, yep.
Mally will be getting one after all. How awesome. Is that definitely the chaser? You don't normally get two chasers. You're obviously really lucky on the box.
He's not listed anywhere.
Not on the other side. Yeah, he is. Two chasers. How nice is that? So Mally will get one. So actually Mally gets most of these. The only one I get to keep is this one because all the rest are repeats. I keep them. Mally gets them. Mally will be pleased. They're really cool. I do like these ones. This might be my new favourite one. That one was, but I think this one might be. I'm such a big kid.
Yep.
Right, so that's everything. So we'll see you all soon. Take care.
Bye.